Welcome, students. In this video we're going to talk about the second fundamental theorem of calculus. So we're gonna practice with one example. The example that I want to talk about is this one. You let f of t, the function, equals x plus 3 2t plus t dt. So let's say I want to find, using the second fundamental theorem of calculus, we need to find f prime of t. What is f prime of t? So usually you could just take the integral and plug in your endpoints and you get an answer. That is a valid solution. But there is one trick that you can use, which is the second fundamental theorem of calculus. The way you work it out is like this. You let f prime of t equals d. So we're going to basically use the chain rule. So you're gonna do d dx of the integral x plus 3 2t plus t dt times dx. So this one we're gonna call it so let's say our okay. So let's just call it d dx and dx du. Let's call it du dx because we're gonna have to, each endpoint we're going to assign a temporary variable. So let's assume that we're talking about du, but technically because we have x here and we have different functions in each endpoint, we're gonna have two variables, two substitution variables. So let u equal x plus 3. So if u equals x plus 3, which is the upper endpoint, what is u prime? The derivative of that is gonna be 1. You take the derivative of x, you get 1, and the derivative of 3 is 0. Same thing with we're gonna call it b. Let b equals x, so b prime is equal to 1. So we need these things here for our answer. So our answer is gonna be f prime of t is gonna equal to so this is f of t, little f of t, so we're gonna call it f of u times so the upper one we're gonna call it u, the x plus 3, so we're gonna call it so it's gonna be f of u times du dx minus f of v, which is this one, times dv dx. So that should give us f prime. Instead of doing the integral and all that, we'll do like this. So then this is equal to, so what is f of u? We plug in, so f is here, this one, so it will be 2 times u, which is inside the inside variable is u, which is this one, x plus 3, and then plus 2 minus f of b, which is b is x, so we do 2 times x plus 2 times the derivative of dv dx is just 1, so we just multiply times 1. We don't leave it like that. Then we combine like terms, so it will be 2x plus 6, 2x plus 6 plus 2 minus 2x plus 2 So we cancel this one and this one and this one, and so this is minus, actually this is minus. Cancel this one with this one, and we're left with 6. So the answer 2. So the antiderivative, so the derivative of f, big F, is 6. So the derivative of this integral is 6. And the way we did it, we came out with that, is using the second fundamental theorem of calculus. Thank you very much, students.